Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to send Bitcoin in MyNearWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your MyNearWallet. So once you tap on your MyNearWallet app, you will end up in a page where you need to type in your pin code number, and once you have typed in your pin code, you will get access to your account back. So once you get back into your account, all you need to do is simply tap on send, and once you tap on the send option, now you have to type in the wallet address of the friend or someone you are going to send Bitcoin to. So simply type in the wallet address and then type in the amount you want to send. After doing so, you can send Bitcoin in your MyNearWallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.